Yusuf, welcome to the club. How do you feel after you joined the club, and what are your first impressions?
Thank you. My first impressions are very good. I really like it here. The city is nice. The atmosphere in the stadium is good. It's a great club. I can't wait to start.
Why did you choose Rijeke in the end?
Yeah, the meetings with the sporting directors and the coach was very good, and I think I can develop myself here, and yeah, hopefully we have a successful season.
How would you describe yourself as a player to our fans who maybe don't know much about you?
Yeah, I like to score goals, I like to assist, I like to go forward, I like to attack, dribble, shoot, I come with pace, and yeah.
So you went through Bayern Academy, you played for Schalke, you played for Augsburg, you were in Turkey. What are some experiences? What have you learned through all those clubs you played for?
I think from every club, from every coach, from every team player, you can learn everything. Like you can learn something, and I think I learned something from everyone, and I would say I'm quite experienced for my age. And yeah, playing for such big clubs, you learn a lot. You handle pressure, and yeah, it's nice.
Do you know anything about Croatian football?
Yeah, I have one friend. He plays for Dinamo Zagreb.
Which one?
Gabriel Vidovic. Okay. I also had a talk with him before I came here. He's really speaking good about the Croatian league, and yeah, let's see.
What are your goals this season? You saw we played in Conference League, we have Championship, we have Croatian Cup. Do you have any expectations from this season?
Of course, it's very nice to win trophies, you know. To win games, to have good matches. But especially for this club, it's I think also important to win trophies, and I think we have a good chance. Hopefully we qualify for the Conference League and yeah, play a good season.
In the end, one message for the fans, what they can expect when Yusuf takes the pitch.
When I'm on the pitch, they can expect the firework, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, that's a great message. Again, welcome to Rijeka, and we hope you have a lot of success in our jersey.
Thank you very much.